Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can open a new PDF document in the Drawboard PDF reader. So let us get started. Alright guys, there are two ways how you can do this. Either way, you will need to launch the Drawboard PDF reader on your device. Then you either navigate back to your home screen by clicking into this symbol or icon in the very top left corner, and from here click into this plus button to access the new document. However, that's option number 2. If you're, for example, already in a new document here or PDF document, you can do the following as well. You may click into this plus new tab button here and select new document. Then go through these settings here, right? So give your document a name, example doc 02. Then, oh, that's a typo. Then you may, for example, set the page size, the page count, the page orientation, and the paper color. Click into create new document. Here we go. That's your new document. That's how we do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.